Assalamu alaikum audience. So today we will discuss Dawn newspaper vocabulary. So the first one is tempered. So its meaning is interfere unwantedly. Most of the time the spy agencies are tempering the results of election. Next one, prosecution. So process of holding a trial against a person who is accused of a crime to see if that person is a guilty. Next one, discrepancies. So its meaning is contrast, disparity, unlikeness, or state of disagreeing. Next one, dignitaries. So a person who are a high rank or an important position. Next one, apropos. So suitable or appropriate, conducive. Next one, pragmatic. So practical, visionary, matter of fact, realistic. Next one, stake. So to beg financially. Next one, escorts. So to go with someone or something to give protection or guidance. Next one, substantiate, to prove the truth of something. Next one, stray. So just like stray dogs. So scattered, random, haphazard, erratic, turbulence. Next one, indictment. So an official written statement of charging a person with crime. So it's called indictment. Now some major climate variable. So climate variables are measured through different dimensions, in different dimensions. So the first one is temperature of a specific area. Rainfall is also a climatic variable. Sea surface temperature along with sea level rise, wind speed, tropical cyclones, snow and ice cover. So all these factors are climate variables. So from these aspects we can find the climatic condition or the seasons or the weather condition update specific areas. Next one, UNFCC. So United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. So this is just an abbreviation. Next one, I have collected these points from the meetings of COP, Conference of Parties. So the major gas, and that is CO2, which is responsible for climate change or greenhouse effect. Now IPCC, so IPCC stands for Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, and according to IPCC and UNFCC, so they estimate that the earth could warm by 3 degrees centigrade by the end of 21st century, and it's maybe from 1.8 degrees centigrade to 4 degrees centigrade, but the average is almost 3 degrees centigrade according to IPCC. Now some other points according to IPCC. So increase ocean temperature cause thermal expansion and sea level will rise. Uh, so sea level have rise during 21st century. So it is 0.17 meter, but in 21st century it is expected that at the end of 21st century there will be a steep rise in sea level, and that will be 0.18 meter to 0.59 meters. So these are just some facts and figures, and I have collected all these points from Dawn newspaper. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching Dawn Times, and stick to Dawn Times for more videos and updates. Good luck.